How to redeem digital code on Amazon. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your digital code on Amazon. So let's get right into the video. So to redeem digital code on Amazon, firstly go ahead and open the Amazon application and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and tap on the account icon. You will then see the option for your account. Tap on that. Now scroll down and under the payments section you can find the option manage gift card balance. Simply tap on that. Now in this page you will able to see your gift card balance. Now under manage your balance you can see redeem another gift card option. Go ahead and tap on it. Now in the text box you see there enter your claim code. You can also tap on the scan your claim code option and scan your code to redeem the code. Once entered, tap on the apply to your balance button. With this, if the code you entered was correct, your code will be redeemed successfully. So that's how you can redeem digital code on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.